Hi, everyone. Just wanted to quickly record a welcome video to week two. I just kind of wanted to start off with saying, I hope, everyone's doing okay with the fires and the winds that we've experienced. I know some of you have been affected in various ways, and I just wanted to kind of let you know I'm here for you and I'm going to be, of course, as flexible as possible. I myself was evacuated and also had like a lot of destruction in my house from the winds, but was evacuated and without power for like 6 days. So I can totally relate to what some of you are experiencing. And if any of you are experiencing anything else more challenging, please let me know and I'll share some resources on how GCC can help. So I just want to first of all let you know that I'm totally in support of what's happening and I understand that you all may be impacted in various ways. So first, I just wanted to start with that and then kind of share a little bit with you on what you're responsible for this week. So let me just quickly share my screen. This week, also just wanted to let you know last week is really, really important that you completed the career assessments because that's what we're going to be doing for the next few weeks. So this week you have some content that you'll review. I have, chapter one and some information about the career decision making process, which is really a process that we'll be going through together in the next 5 weeks or the next 4 weeks, which is the proper way to make a career decision. And it's 4 specific steps, and we will go through each step in our class together. So the first step is self-discovery and self-assessment, which is what we started last week, which is really looking at who are we? What are our skills? What are we good at? What do we like? I mean, kind of assessing, what our interests are and our personality, what our strengths and weaknesses are. The second step is where we kind of, once we know about ourselves, we gather information and match, our careers, our skills and our personality, our interests to potential careers, and we do research on them. How much school will I have to go to? What's a typical day in this job like? How much time will it take? How long will it take? How much money will I make? And then the next part is like making a decision, right? So you have the information and how do we weigh the pros and cons and decide? That can be kind of challenging. And the last part is, okay, now I know I want to major in nursing. How do I plan to get there? What classes do I need to take? How do I be competitive to get in? Or I want to be a doctor. What do I need to do? How do I write a resume? How do I look for internships? All that stuff. That's kind of what we're doing. And so this week we kind of introduce you to that. So of course, this week, look at the content I have in week two. You'll be responsible for two things. One is the weekly discussion, which your initial post will be due by Thursday at midnight, and you need to respond to two classmates' posts by Sunday at midnight. And then the second thing is MBTI self-assessment, where I have you watch this great video by Jean Kumaro on here, and then you'll respond to this assessment, kind of telling me what you think your results might be. And so just two things that you're responsible for this week. One is that weekly discussion. And then the second thing is the MBTI self-assessment. That's it for this week. If y'all have questions or you need anything, please let me know. And yeah, looking forward to spending the next 4 weeks with you all. And yeah, I'm around if you have questions, so just let me know.